I decided I am going to take a look at this Ryobi because I don't have much time today. I want to get something done. I don't have any evapor rust yet, which I'm waiting for some of the other stuff. So I'm just going to take a look at this Ryobi right here. I can use this screwdriver, but screwdrivers are slow and drills are fast. Just take a look inside here. Well, I don't actually have to take it off. Okay. All right. So our motor, these look real dirty, real grimy. Let me clean those up real quick. We want to make sure our dial fits back in there. Last time we had to fix something like that on that drill. All right, so let's sit it right there. We'll get our bat ray. Wait a second, that's what that guy said. All right, put that battery in there. We got nothing. 19 volts. Let's just try to wire it up straight through. Let's see how it works. Well, this morning I got some furniture and I gotta take these knobs off of it and we're gonna repaint it and everything, but I gotta clean it up a little bit. So I'm gonna take these old knobs off of it and you can see, kind of neat looking. They just, I don't know, they just don't go with much. I'll say it like that. They don't go with much. So I'm gonna remove them and they're put in a different kind of way. You can see back here, they have like the little screw-on deals where they drive them into the wood and you can screw into those pieces of metal. So it's a little bit different than a lot of other knobs out there. So I'm gonna take these off and store them. I always store them because I wanna be able to use them on something else one day when they're more appropriate. How about I just use a drill? This one fell out the back of it. These are little pieces I'm talking about right here. Paint is so thick right there. Well, I had to step out from the house. I make these Easter crafts out of wood. They look like it was a combination of Golgotha or Calvary and the crucifixion, well, the crucifixion site and then the tomb where Christ rose. So someone bought a couple of those from me and I had enough money to do this. I finally got me some evapor rust and I also got me a big container of WD-40, which I can put in a spray bottle. Since I use so much, I don't have to worry about buying a bunch of cans. I can just refill the spray bottle. Got this cool paint scraping bit, let's say. Well, it goes through some grinder batteries and definitely went through this paint removal disc from Hart. So I'm gonna grab one that was slightly used. But I might have to pick up a few more of these because it does a pretty good job. It scuffs up the surface of the wood a little bit, but I think after sanding it's going to be just fine, especially if I'm painting it.